morning. Feliz julio 7 del 2023. Seguimos en ruta y ya hemos un poco organizado. Anyway, look at this. What a beautiful day it is. We haven't opened our room yet. We're going to go and take a shower. And the reason we have coins is because it's 1 krone, 4 minutes of water. Yo sin bañarme no me puedo ir a ningún lugar. La verdad que la gente sigue durmiendo. Nosotros madrugamos. Queremos salir a las 9 de la mañana. A ver si nos alcanza el tiempo, porque mientras bajamos las maletas y eso, se nos ha hecho un ritual en el cual, por más que viaje, no hemos mejorado. This beautiful day today that God blessed us with today. We keep going up north through the Fiordos. Y llegamos al área. This is what this camping looked like. Real nice. Got a women's bathroom and the men's bathroom. It has its own kitchen. The internet works a lot better over here on this side. And it has a little get together over here. It has a stove that you can cook. It has a washer and dryer, which it costs $7 to wash and dry. Alright, so these are the bathrooms. And what is the timer? Oh, the timer is right here. So it's $1 for 4 minutes. So let's see, you put it in. And start marking right away. Water coming down. Freaking water is freezing cold. Bueno, you see a fresh shower ready to go. Oh my. The shower makes a lot of difference. Let me tell you, it does to me. So let's ready to rumble. We're gonna get dressed up in our gear, get ready, and our first stop is gonna be the Lotosem waterfalls. Stay tuned, don't miss that. That is supposed to be a beautiful set of waterfalls, and we're about half an hour away from here. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right. It's time to say goodbye to Roldal in Norway. La abuela is packed already, ready to rumble, ready to go. We got the video cameras on, we got the GoPro going, all packed up, ready to go. Miss Lina Perez.
Aquí ya listándonos para
Partir.
nuestro próximo
destino. All right, so we stop at this Shell gas station. Again, you need a code for the credit card to pump in. But this is a full service place. They got this huge hot dog here for breakfast. And when I make my videos, everybody tells me, hey, take the cap off, take the cap off. But right here in Norway is the only country that has seen it where they attach it and you can take it off. So I was wondering why. Guess what? It's for recycling. So when they recycle the bottle and the cup together. That way they don't have to be chasing cups around. Very smart. awesome waterfalls. And check this out. Check it out. I'm gonna try to get a picture right in the middle of it. Oh, look at this. This is amazing, beautiful. Today is gonna be a day where it's gonna be a lot of stops, enjoying the trip, having a good time, and doing some motor touring, but at my own pace. All right, we're gonna leave the sticker, the first sticker here in Norway. Come on, let's do it. This is great! Oh man, this is great! This is Lofoten waterfall. For now, let's go. Let's move. Woo. Bueno, mi gente, we're here at the ferry. We're crossing to that's where we're going to. There's a lot of bikes coming and going from all over the world. A lot of cars going. The weather is helping us out a lot today. It's about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And this ship is called the Litsfjord. This is beautiful. Let me tell you, what a great choice to start here in Norway. All right, and la abuela is right there. As usual, having a good time, getting ready to go. Let's go, abuela, vámonos. Alright, today is like a waterfall route, and this is one of the places that everybody recommends to stop. It's called Jostedalsbreen Falls and Waterfalls. Man, what a beautiful sight this is. I'm so close, the water is freezing cold. So we're gonna continue enjoying Norway the best we do, one day at a time, one stop at a time, 1 minute at a time, because that's the way we live. Bueno, mi gente, esta subida hasta acá fue una aventura porque le pasé la motolina en el peor momento. Esta subida estaba bien pesada. Estamos en el Jostedalsbreen Lookout. Es uno de los sitios más visitados. Son las 5 de la tarde más o menos. Y la verdad que la subida estuvo bien pesada. Hasta el sueño se me quitó. Pero van a ver la vista. This view is amazing. Esta view está bien bonito aquí. Es un sitio muy turístico. Como podrán ver, todos los tours están aquí. So this is what it's called, a Jostedalsbreen Lookout. Check this out. Check this view out. For now, this is the viewpoint of Route E16, Jostedalsbreen Lookout. It's called. Después de casi 12 horas de ruta, por fin llegaríamos al sitio donde nos quedaríamos esa noche, el hostel del camping. Pero antes haríamos una parada más en el Parque Nacional de Glaciar, en el cual les dejo para que mañana nos sigan, ya que les mostraré toda esa aventura. Por ahora, me despido de ustedes con esta última parte de la ruta. ¡Buen día!